Hey everybody, Carlos Scarpero here, VA Mortgage Specialist with Ross Mortgage and Military Mortgage Bootcamp. Today I want to talk a little bit about why it's important to hire a VA Mortgage Specialist for your mortgage loan. As you know, there's loan officers all over the place, some good, some not so good. And a lot of loan officers are generalists, which means they do one of this type of loan, or that type of loan. They do all kinds of different kinds of loans, but they never get super competent in any one mortgage type. And unfortunately, especially the VA loan where it's very specialized, it can get tricky and a lot of people screw these up. So for example, I recently met a veteran at our church. He was sitting there next to me. He was wearing this Army hat at church. And of course I had to talk to him and ask him about a service and thank him for a service, of course. And then I just happened to mention I do VA loans. And he goes, "Oh man, I never did use my VA benefits." And I said, "Well, why is that?" And he looked at me and he goes, "Well, I talked to this bank and they told me this and this and this." And immediately I figured out the loan officer is just completely freaking clueless. You ever dealt with someone like that? Completely freaking clueless. He just, one bad thing after another. I felt embarrassed. I mean, it was so bad that I was embarrassed this guy is actually telling people about mortgage loans. And I said, "Sir, I think I can do that. And tell me about your credit." He told me a little about his credit history, what he was looking to do. And I said, "I think this is a workable file. Would you be open to meeting with me on Monday? And let's talk about this." And he said, "Yes." He came to my office. We met up. And sure enough, within 10 minutes, I had him approved. And now he's in the process of buying a house. Of course, he's just completely excited about it, as you might imagine. Zero down loan, as with most VA loans. And it's a very, very rewarding feeling to be able to help someone like that. And this kind of thing happens all the freaking time, all the time. There's just so many mistakes on these VA loans that, frankly, it's embarrassing on our industry how bad it is. So if you know someone out there, or maybe yourself, that's been turned down for a VA loan, I want to encourage you to get a second opinion of someone that knows what the heck they're doing. And if you're in Ohio, Kentucky, and Michigan, hopefully I'm that guy that you want to talk to. Again, my name is Carlos Scarpero. I'm VA Mortgage Specialist with Ross Mortgage. I can be reached at scarpero.com. That is SCARPERO.com. And my phone number is 937-572-3713. Again, I am licensed in Ohio, Kentucky, and Michigan. If you're outside of those areas, a part of this group called Military Mortgage Bootcamp, we have people all over the country that can help. And so there's no excuse to be dealing with an incompetent loan officer. If you have dealt with one in the past, I certainly apologize because some of us actually are pretty good at our jobs, I would like to say. So anyway, that's all I got for today. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye.